What you are seeing on the screen is a 4-foot amputee's prosthetic leg that he has been using for the past 10 years, and you can see that it is in a very bad shape. You can see cracks both running vertical and horizontal, and also the straps which are supposed to tie the leg with the prosthetics are also pretty busted. So this user has approached us asking if we could repair his existing prosthetic leg. The action plan which I have in my mind for this project is to change only the 4-foot region which is completely busted, change the velcro straps and add new straps, also replace the inner padding for better comfort. I had actually contacted one of my manufacturers who's currently working on the 4-foot region. So let's get an update on that. My question was, if we print it in PLA and you're telling that we'll cover it with resin, but will that increase the weight of the product?
Not much.
So we'll go ahead with black color PLA and resin coat it. And can we do it as soon as possible?
I can do it. I can start today itself.
Okay.
I will try to ship it by tomorrow.
Great, sir. In the previous vlog, you would have seen us trying to fix a prosthetic foot for a 4-foot amputee. We received a text from our manufacturer of the 4-foot asking us to check the STL file that they have sent before they start printing. So right now I'm looking at it and it seems pretty decent. All the fingers and the definitions are pretty good. Even the nails are seen. And I see a small line over here which it is neglectable. And also a change that I would require is that this edges over here, they are pretty sharp and they have to be a bit more blunt. All the 4 holes seems perfect and it seems like a green flag to be printed. So finally we have received the 4-foot region from our manufacturer. Oh, damn, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks amazing. Like, look at the finish that it has come out with. They have provided me with some free nuts and bolts so that we can screw this thing up in their existing setup. So a very big shout out to Medsby Healthcare and Engineering Technologies for making us this 4-foot at such a short notice. After reaching there, we took a look at his old prosthetic limb which he was using for the past 10 to 11 years. All the screws were pretty busted and it was very dusty and the foams were also crumbling. So we took a brush and cleaned the entire leg. After a short cleaning session, we swapped the old parts with the brand newly made parts. And once both the legs were strapped and checked, it was finally time for testing.